actually our fear and doubt when we first came into this business. Maren saw the business first, I didn't. But if you come here as couples and one of you see the business, the spouse don't see it, doesn't matter. You can still build it. Because your spouse will eventually come into the business later on. Okay? That's what happened to us. Because he sees it, I don't see it, but because he decided to build for the family, I decided to support him as a spouse, regardless of whatever he's doing. And when we came to this business, like I said, he started off first. His fear and his doubt in his business, he will share with you guys. But I would like to share how I felt. Okay? Okay, in this business, when we first came in, we didn't understand how to build this business. I'm sure some of you have the same thing. Okay? And we have a lot of friends outside the business and family as well. But as soon as we come into the business and we're supposed to do some very basic thing, we tend to have the fear of doing it. Okay? Simply by lifting the phone to call somebody. The phone tends to weigh 10 pounds. Don't know why. Right? And we are fearful to share this business with our family as well as our friends. Why? Because we are afraid of losing our friends, and we are afraid what our friends will think of us. Especially when you have friends, they will judge you for who you are. Okay, who you was before, and as soon as you step into the business, they don't believe you can build a business. Okay. So what they will do is watch you from far. Okay? So because of that, there's a lot of people who came into our business, our friends, don't want to come into the business. Okay? That doesn't stop us from building this business. And we are not afraid to share with people outside the whole world. But it doesn't take us, that doesn't mean that we came to the business, we shared with people outside. We didn't do that. Because it took us a long time to go out and say hi to strangers. That's another fear. We learn, meaning we are so fortunate to be in this business because we have a very, very good system. And we learn all those from the system. Okay? We'll speak about the system later. And that's a fear. Fear of sharing this business with other people. Okay? Fear of even going out to share the products with other people. Why? Because we don't have the faith in the products yet. Purely, if you don't use it, you can't share it. We are not salespeople. Okay? Salespeople are people who go out and talk about the product, but they don't use it. But in this business, we have to learn to use the products, and we know how good the products are, we go out and share it. But it takes time. It doesn't take overnight. All right? And what we doubt in this business when we first started, whether we can do it. Okay? Because we see a lot of successful people out there. Prior to this business, when we see a lot of rich people out there, we see big houses, what is our thought process? That they are very lucky. But we never thought that we can do it. We never thought that we can buy the big house. Why? And when we came to this business, we have the same doubt. Whether we can build this business, because the people that we see are successful, they are very lucky. But it's not. Everybody that comes into this business starts from zero. It does not matter whether you are a CEO of a company, you still come to this business start with zero. And that CEO of the company, who can be like a boss in the company, but as soon as they step into this business, they do have fear and doubt as well. So it doesn't matter where you come from. The fear and doubt, you have to get rid of it. But how you get rid of fear? You cannot get rid of fear. What you have to do with fear is you got to be in the system, which you got to listen to the CDs, because those CDs are people who are very successful in this business, who speaks about their story, where they come from and where they are today. And books. What the book does is to tell you what you are, who you are. Because you don't want to hear someone else telling you, you got to improve in doing this. There are no bosses in this business. The only way you can tell yourself is through books. Okay? And keep your mind positive. So like I say, you cannot get rid of fear, but when you are fearful, you can make positive decisions. because you are in the system, in the books, in the CDs. And all of you all are here today to be associated with people here, are people who want to go the same path as you. Our experience, as soon as we come into this business, after a few years, we understand the powerful, how the system is so powerful, and we realize the people outside this business is different from the people in the business. So association with the same people, with the people who are going the same path is very, very important. People who's got kids here, I think a lot of young people, you don't have kids yet, but as soon as you got kids, what will you tell your kids? Don't mix with those people. Okay? You want your kids to associate with the right people. This business is no difference. They will tell you to associate with the people who want to go in the same path as you guys. Okay? That is why association is also very important, which is again the system. Okay? But like we took some time, what we did was we listened to our upline. Our upline has interest in what we gain, because what we gain is what they're going to gain, right? So we listen to our upline. Whatever our upline says, even though we are fearful, but what our upline says, like it says, we may not have the belief when we first came into the business, right? Our upline says that they believe in us, even though we don't believe in ourselves. Huh? They believe in us, and they'll wait till we believe in them until we believe in ourselves. So that's what we all are going to do. Okay? Whatever your upline say, not for you to go not to make money, but definitely to make money. It will not take like overnight, but you'll have to overcome your own fear. Fear is something that comes only in, for some reason, it comes to us only in business. I don't know why. But like the system, I should say we are blessed with the system. If not for the system and the association and our upline, we both would not be standing here talking to all you guys. So that is why we are blessed with the system. And I'll tell you about the ladies part of it. Being a wife, you have to support your husband. Okay? Vice versa, husband has to support the wife, right? And that doesn't mean that my husband goes out and do whatever he has to do, even though he has got a fear and doubt in him. We as wife, we have to do the same, because this business belongs to both of us. It doesn't belong to one person. So as much as he is fearful to lift up the pole, to show the flag, ladies have to do the same. So as much, because when you start building together, that's how your business is going to grow faster. Single guys, you guys are very, very fortunate, because the bonuses will be 1% share. But the best thing about it, when you have the partner, you treat the partner different. Okay? The partner will be so, so blessed to have you all, because you learn a lot of good principles in this business. Okay? And with that, I'll let you have this.
Guys, I'm just going to cover very briefly. Sorry, your name? Aiker. I was exactly like you when I came in front and looked at people. I don't know what to say. Well, I remember when we got recognized for 9%, we went on stage and I forgot my name. I had the microphone, but I couldn't remember what was my name. So this is all the doubt and fear that, what's going to happen, all these things, you will overcome it. Yeah, I'm not going to talk much about all the business and all that. I mean, we got awesome support team here. I mean, people like Kantan and people like Krishna, Gita, and many, many leaders. We do the same thing. We are not doing anything different. We think that it's been a bit longer. That's about it. Exactly what we are teaching is exactly what we do. Now, I just want to share a story. You guys like stories?
Yes.
Yeah, like stories? Something that's fun?
Yeah.
Okay. I was born and brought up in Singapore. Anybody been in Singapore?
Yes.
Singapore, okay, good. Singapore? Okay. Now, in Singapore, when you are 18 years old, you got to serve the army, the national service, compulsory for guys who are 18. See, I don't know why, I was selected to be part of elite service, which is a commando unit. It's one of the top elite units. Okay. Now, to qualify as a first grade commander fighter, there is certain training that you got to go through. One of the training is a 3-month course of parachute jump. Now you guys understand parachute? Okay? Now you got to jump up from the flight. Okay? we have to do that. I have to do that to qualify as a first grade commander fighter. Elite team. It's a 3-month course. You got to go through the training. 3 months of complete training of how to overcome the fear, how to overcome that. See, my fear was, what happens if I jump out and there's no parachute? Can you imagine just looking up and seeing nothing, only sky? What's the fear? You know, those are the fear. Doubts are, will I land properly? See, in parachute jump, there is technique to land.
Yeah.
You know, you got to break the fall. Okay, there's technique, you got to go left, right. That's all. You can't drop forward in your face, you know, again, whatever is in the front. So those are the things that we went through 3 months to do our first jump. Okay? It was exciting. First jump was exciting, you know, 3,000, 5,000 feet. Just imagine 5,000 feet in the air. The door opens, you can see everything. And then you got to go out. You have to go out. If you're not going to go out, they'll kick you out. Oh, yeah, they'll kick you. If you don't go out, somebody from behind, they'll push you or kick you. Okay, so you have to go out. Okay? And there's 3 seconds for the parachute to open. So you got to count 3,000. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, then check. Okay? Now, if you count 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, you check and there's nothing, that's the flow. Now, if I count 3,000, will it open? Now the other thing is, can you count 3,000 just like that when you're out of the aeroplane?
No.
You can't. You can
No.
say what and that's it. It's like something joke. These are the things that were in my mind. Okay. Now, I mean, no doubt I did that. Passed it, and I've done about 40, 50 jumps after that. Every jump is a different jump. Every jump is a different technique because the wind condition. Because the terrain, where you're going to land on the tree or in the hill or on the land on the road, people have land on the road. These are the things. See, why am I sharing you this story is because it's exactly the business. Put yourself in your supporting for 90 days. You will have doubt, you will have fear. What will my friends think? Will it work for me? Can I do it? These are the doubts, these are the fears. You can be helped. There's a support team in place for you to help. There's a system, book, CD, and functions. I would highly recommend, if you're not on the system, get on the system. Check with your support team how to get on board with the system. It's going to cost some money, but it is investment into yourself. You're investing in yourself. You're not investing for your upline or anything. Why? Because you want to do something for your future. See, when I did the first jump, after that I know, okay, this is what I need to do. It's the same thing in the business. Once you have done the first stage, showing the plan, you will know, okay, what is the next thing you got to do. It's a routine thing that you will keep doing and doing. See, in this business, if you fully put in 90 days of complete effort with your support of your support team, it will happen. But you got to be completely submitted to your support. 90 days. See, our product has got 90 day money back guarantee.
Yeah.
Okay, if it doesn't work, you can return back and refund.
Yeah.
Similar to this business. Put in your effort, but you got to put in the effort. Your upline can't put in the effort for you. You put in the effort, you submit to them, you tell them, look, this is what I want, how to do it, they will help. Okay. It's simple. Overcome fear, overcome doubt. Listen to series. Listen to as many CDs as possible, every day. Every day. Guys, I'm a high school dropout. If you understand the term high school dropout. That means I didn't finish high school because I wanted to make more money. But my lifestyle was only there. I wanted to make money. I didn't thought about anything else. Till I got involved in this business. So, we study hard is because we want to be somewhere. That's why we spend so much money to study. Okay, I didn't study, so I didn't spend much money, okay? But I wanted to make money. It's all practical, it's all the same thing, similar things. At the end of the day, you are working, you are doing something for the end result. Same thing in this business. Do what you need to do. Listen, read. For me, reading, I'll tell you, it's like sleeping pill. Now you open the book, you fall asleep. It was me.
For both of us.
When I open the book, I'll fall asleep. I don't know why, but I started reading. Why? I wanted to better myself. I can't stand here and talk in front of you. I'll panic if I'm not reading. You know, my leg and body will shiver. But I've got the confidence. Why? Because I've been reading and reading. I mean, we are not there yet. We are also in the process. No, we are not the end result here, we are in the process. We also are doing what you guys want to do and more. And we just want to move on. Okay? Now, hope I've given you enough information. Okay?
Yep.
Guys, there's a seminar that's coming up. There's a seminar coming up on the 12th of this month.
Yeah.
I hope
Yeah.
you guys know about it. Be there. Be there. Because that's something that you're going to learn. And that is something that will help you to move on from where you are to where you want to be. Invest some money, invest some time. It's all worth it. At the end of the day, it's worth it. At the end of the day, definitely worth it. See, we were thinking whether to go or not to go. But once we completely submit ourselves, yes, we want to go, we want to attend, we never miss anything. We just keep going. Why? Because it's helping us to move forward. Hope I've given you enough information. Okay, I mean, check with your support team. Stick like like this. Last time they used to put stamp. Without the stamp, you won't go to the destination. Now you be the stamp attached to your outline. Stick to your outline, and then follow them. Take guidance from them and move, and then you will get to the destination you want to go. Doesn't matter where diamond and a pearl. Guys, with that, we are done. I'd like to just thank Kandan, Priya, awesome couples, moving platinum and beyond, for inviting us, giving us the opportunity to share a bit of our knowledge, okay? And also Krishna and Gita, a few other leaders here, okay? Sorry if I don't remember your names, okay? Thank you very much for your time. Okay? Thank you very much for your time, and thanks for